Hello friends and welcome back to the TechRegen channel. So friends, today I will talk about BIOSTAR Z890A silver motherboard for Intel Core Ultra 200S processor. So friend, BIOSTAR has unveiled the Z890A silver motherboard engineered to support the latest generation Intel Core Ultra Series 2 processor utilizing the Intel Z890 single chip architecture. This motherboard is designed to cater to needs for gamers, content creators, and general users seeking reliable performance, and the motherboard accommodates up to 192 GB of DDR5 memory across full DIMM slot and facilitating high bandwidth operation and efficient multitasking, and also indicated PCIe 5.0 M.2 slot, enabling high-speed storage solution that enhance system responsiveness and reduce load time, and network connectivity is addressable with 2.5 gigabit LAN port, ensuring stable and fast internet access, and while the USB 3.2 Generation 2 Type-C port provide versatile and rapid data transfer capabilities, and additionally the motherboard is compatible with Wi-Fi 6E and Wi-Fi 7 module, supporting the latest wireless standard for improved connectivity. And the motherboard design emphasizes both functionality and customization. It features BioStat, vivid LED DJ, and RGB sync technologies which allow for extensive peripherals compatibility with personalized lighting configuration, and the LED rock zone further expand customization option with multiple RGB headers, enabling users to tailor the lighting to their preference. And from a power delivery standpoint, the Z890A Silver incorporates digital PWM, and from a power delivery standpoint, the Z890A Silver incorporates digital PWM and 60A DR.MOS components, ensuring stable power distribution and efficient performance, which is crucial for tasks such as overclocking. For handling intensive workload, and user convenience is enhanced through the inclusion of M.2 ANCHOR feature, simplifying the installation of M.2 devices with straightforward trace mechanism, and the auto installer function automates the driver installation of Windows operating system, streamline the setup process, and reduce the need for manual configuration. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.